Today I want to talk about some of the improvements that we've put into DIY reports in releases 1706 and 1710 that make things just a little bit easier to make and use your DIY reports. Just to recap, a DIY report is a simple report like this one or this one, which you can put together in a matter of minutes and put on you or your colleague's front page. To go to DIY setup, DIY report setup, go to the setup menu, reporting and printing, and there we see a new DIY report list. This is a little menu that lists the various DIY reports that you've made. You can add a new one, but I'll use an existing one to show you some of the improvements. So whereas before you had to move columns left and right one at a time, there's now new functionality that allows you to manipulate your columns all in one go or multiple ones at a time, and you can also change the order in a much quicker way like this without having to update in between. So that should make things just a little bit simpler. The other thing that we've done is to make it possible to have multiple selects in your filters. So whereas before you could choose one person, you can now choose multiple people or even select everyone. Staying with the filter idea, you can decide that you want to filter by client as well as by who it's assigned to. But you don't need to build that beforehand. You can simply say, I want to filter on this column by clicking the little funnel. You can then edit what that uses, and even say it allows multiple selection.